Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll just move that. Seems like a pretty good fan. Okay. And it does that little jerk thing that the Hunter original does. Guessing this fan has a really big motor in it, which is kind of ironic because it just looks like one of those vintage ventless style fans of C brackets, which would just normally have a 153 motor. Well, it doesn't seem that powerful, but it does that jerking thing that the Hunter originals do on high speed. Oh wow, it's not actually hitting the sign as much now.